Yo, first order of the day, we've got a McDonald's. This is $12 going just under 7 miles. For some reason, I've got a bad feeling about this order, so wish me luck. Let's see if this order actually exists or if someone already took it. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. It has been a very, very long time since that last order. Like over 30 minutes. But we finally got the next one. We are on earn by time as well. Current rate is $17 an hour. And this next order is going to be a McDonald's going, I think it's at just under 4 miles.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
The food is in this bag and then the drink is in this bag.
Thank you. You too. Oh, that's just lovely. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $2 and change. Just think about that. $2 and change. Really good company, by the way. Next up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one is $8 going just under 6 miles. Morning.
Are you picking up?
Yeah.
Have
Thank
a good
you.
one.
You too. Man, I'm just staring at the current total on DoorDash. $2 and change. That's baffling to me. Can't even get a gallon of gas with that. Oh, and we just got the next order. This is Angels going 5 miles. Total for that one was $7 and change. Next up, we've got a Voodoo Donut. This one is going 6.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $9 and change. Okay. And we got the next order right away. This is for a place called Los Bros Taco Shop. I don't think I've ever been here before, though it might be a ghost kitchen. Not sure. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Me too. It says there are many different entrances. That's literally all it says. So hey, that doesn't help at all. Total for that order was $7. Okay, not bad. And we got the next order right away. This is Taco Bell going just under 3 miles. Thank you. You too. No tip. $6 and change. Very cringe. Next up, we've got Pete's Coffee going 3.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Total for that order was $6 and change, and we got the next one right away. This is Victor Rico's going 6 miles. Total for that order was $10. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 2 miles, 3 items.
Scan it now. Card, please.
Next up, we've got a Hello Waffle cart. This one is $12 going 5 miles. Sounds good to me.
Oh, you stink. Stinky dog. What you smell? You smell it.
Thank you. You too. Next up, we've got an IHOP. This one is $9 going 5.5 miles. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $9 going 4 miles. All right, I think I'm gonna call it here. It's still pretty early, but we did pretty good on the orders. Consistently busy, which is always a good thing. Current time is 9:32. Current total, we are at 100, and we're waiting on, I think, 2 Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total when those come in. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.